After expanding to red giant size, the sun's core eventually gets hot enough to fuse helium into carbon and oxygen. This moment is called the helium flash, a sudden violent burst of fusion energy that sounds way cooler than it is. The sun stabilizes for a few 100 million years, fusing helium in its core. But eventually the helium runs out too. The sun isn't massive enough to fuse heavier elements or go supernova. Instead, it does something quieter. It gently sheds its outer layers into space, creating a glowing shell called a planetary nebula, which confusingly has nothing to do with planets. Astronomers were apparently having an off day when they named it. What's left behind is the core, a white dwarf. White dwarfs are incredibly dense, about the size of Earth but containing roughly half the sun's mass. A teaspoon of white dwarf material would weigh about as much as an elephant. Or several elephants. It depends on the elephant. The white dwarf doesn't produce energy anymore. It just slowly cools down over trillions of years, glowing fainter and fainter, until eventually it becomes a cold, dark black dwarf. A stellar corpse,